Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhad Akbar Al-sauqi from class 1C Diploma 3 Electrical Engineering. This video I will describe a multimeter or a multitester. A multimeter or a multitester, also known as a volt or ohm meter or VOM, is an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement function one unit. The parts of a multimeter are a scale, a needle, a pointer, an adjustment screw, a 0 ohm selector, a range selector knob, some parts, and test probe. The shape like a rectangular prism. The color on multimeter, the red one is positive. The one marked common is the negative one or black. Multimeter are instruments that are used to measure electrical quantities such as voltage, current, resistance, and frequency and signal power. The display is white. The probe parts are red and black. The selector switch is yellow, blue, gray, and white. Multimeter length 15 cm and the width is 10 cm. The diameter of the switch is 4 cm and the length of the probe is 50 cm. Okay, thanks. See you the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.